Continuing our journey through Phuket, we leave the mainland behind for part 2. Today, we venture offshore to explore the legendary islands and hidden lagoons of the Andaman. Our first stop is Phang Nga Bay, a breathtaking seascape of massive limestone karsts that seem to defy gravity as they rise from the emerald water. Among these is the world-famous Koh Tapu, better known as James Bond Island, a cinematic marvel that has captivated travelers for decades. Nearby, the stilted village of Koh Phanyi offers a unique glimpse into a resilient community living in harmony with the sea. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Next, we navigate to the hidden lagoons of Hong Island, where narrow passages lead to secret emerald pools tucked deep within the rocks. Kayaking is the best way to feel the scale of these ancient caves, revealing a world of stalactites and silent, untouched beauty. We now head south to the Phi Islands, an archipelago of sheer cliffs and white sand beaches that are truly the jewels of the crown. Maya Bay stands as a symbol of nature's resilience, its crescent sands and turquoise waters now more pristine than ever. Pile Lagoon is a natural cathedral of emerald water, surrounded by towering walls of stone that reach for the sky. On Phi Dawn, the atmosphere is electric, with a lively town full of island charm, bustling cafes, and breathtaking viewpoints. We can't forget Monkey Beach, where playful residents come down to the shore to greet passing boats from the jungle. For pure serenity, Bamboo Island offers an endless stretch of white sand and shallow reefs, perfect for a quiet afternoon. Beneath the surface, a vibrant world awaits. Snorkeling here reveals some of the most diverse marine life in the region. Closer to home, Coral Island, or Koh Hay, is a paradise for water sports and colorful reef exploration. Ratcha Yai Island is known for its incredible visibility, offering deep blue waters that are a sanctuary for divers and sunseekers alike. If we're lucky, we might spot the resident dolphins near Maiden Island, a private slice of paradise in the vast blue. Lunch on a secluded island is an experience in itself. Freshly caught seafood and local spices with the best view in the house. As the sun begins to dip, the sky transforms into a canvas of oranges and purples, reflecting off the calm Andaman waters. It's been an incredible day of discovery, from the deepest lagoons to the tallest cliffs. But our tour isn't finished yet. In the final installment, Part 3, we'll return to the mainland to uncover the mountaintop secrets and vibrant nightlife of Phuket. Thank you for watching Part 2. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in Part 3.